Contestant number 3 for the Miss Heilala Pre-Pageant interview is Miss Tonga National Rugby League, Miss Salome Akisiu Mapakaitolo by Nuku. She is 22 years of age, currently residing in Salt Lake City, Utah. And she's the youngest of 12 children of Tevita Mapakaitolo Vainuku of Matahau and Kolomotua and Akisiu Paletua of Mo'ungaone Hapai. Her family moved to the United States in 2011 and she graduated from high school and also from the nursing TATC College in Utah in 2013. She has served an honorable mission for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in the Rancho Cucamonga, California mission, and she is currently working as an auditor and accountant for the United Healthcare in Salt Lake City, Utah. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Tonga National Rugby League, Salome Akisiu Mapakaitolo Vainuku.
Good morning, Salome. My name is Tele, and I'll be asking you a first question today, and it will be about tourism. And the question will be split into 2 parts. Okay? Just let me know if you need me to repeat anything.
Okay.
The theme for our tourism this year is Beautiful Tonga. The first part of the question is, how can we engage people that are not normally involved in tourism to become more involved in our industry?
I'm sorry, can you rephrase that question?
Sure. So our theme this year for tourism is Beautiful Tonga. How do we get people that are not directly involved in the tourism industry to play a more proactive role?
In my opinion of getting the people more involved in tourism and also thinking about the theme Beautiful Tonga, it makes me think about the culture that we have, more involved more in the culture and just helping them know about the culture will help them more involved in the theme. Well, it just make me think about the theme Beautiful Tonga and make me think about the culture. You can share with them and show them.
Okay, thank you. And the second part of the question, what do you think is special about Tonga that makes it different to other South Pacific countries as a tourism destination?
I believe the core of the values of Tonga explains it all. The 4 cores, which is respect, humility, sharing, which is cooperating with other people. Just makes me think about I'm sorry, can you rephrase that question?
Yeah, sure. Just to remind you, it's what makes Tonga special as a tourism destination as compared to other countries, South Pacific countries?
Well, I think Tonga have everything, and the core that I just talked about, they have. Tonga has everything about culture and the family. Tonga is really different from the others. For example, on Sunday, we all keep the Sabbath day holy, everything is closed, and just make this the difference.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Miss Tonga National Rugby League. My name is Anna. My question would be related to sports and health. The first part is, can you name two of your favorite Tongan sports persons, and name and the reason why you admire him or her?
To be honest, I do watch sports, but I do not know their names. I'll try to name one. I can see their faces, but I'm not good with names, I'm sorry. But I really admire the Tongan athletes. They are really fit, they try hard, they just have that Tongan power, Tongan heart that they are strong enough to put them out there, and they're proud to be Tongan when they play. They show that they're from Tonga. So,
thank you. Sports is important as we prepare for the Pacific Games in 2019, and Tonga has one of the major problems in health, which is NCDs. NCD's example is diabetes. Now, Tonga is one of the countries in the world that is the most overweight, that has the most overweight people. How do you think we can address this issue of Tonga and its NCDs and the people being overweight?
I do know Tongans love to eat, but we should encourage them more that when we don't eat too much, we stay longer and not overweight. Exercise is really important. Not only that, not Tongans be overweight, but also help us just live longer and enjoy your life here in the beauty of Tonga.
Thank you.
Malolele. My question is on the environment. The environment is vitally important for the survival of the planet. Please name two things that we can do here in Tonga to help protect the environment.
Makes me think about just advertising out there, the clean environment, the better, more people coming here to Tonga, just helping each other, just helping each other put Tonga in a good way to other people to see it. I just want to, for example, like they just stop the smoking in public places, and I think that's a good thing that also helps bring the good environment.
Malo.
Salome, have you enjoyed your time here in Tonga?
I love it.
Good. Maybe in the next 2 years you can move back to Tonga and try and promote Miss Heilala. Okay. My question will be in culture. Will be on culture. And what are the two things that you would consider special about the Tongan culture?
The two things that are really inspired, it's respect and humble. The people of Tonga are really humble and really respectful. And it's something that I really admire about it. And I'm proud that I'm a Tongan, that it taught me, and that we can be that way. Even though everyone is different, but they do have those two in their hearts.
Now about education. Here in Tonga, there's a concern about many young people who are not working in gainful employment. What are your thoughts about how education can help this concern?
Well, I know education is everything. And in order for us to help each other and to live here is to have an education. Education is really important for everyone. That's something that we need to push ourselves and even the kids to continue their education, because it's really important for them, not only for them, but for the society. It helps the culture. It should also help everyone in everything that we do. It's really important that we have that.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was contestant number 3, Miss Salome Akasiu Mapakaitolo Nuku. Thank you so much.